So you have been wondering how to buy Solana in your Phantom wallet. So you don't know where exactly to get the Solana. Okay, so this video will help you to get Solana from an exchange and then move it to your Phantom wallet. Okay, so what you simply do in this video, we are using the simplest way possible here. You open the Bitget Exchange app and select the option that says add funds. There are several options here, but you simply select the option that says P2P trading, that is peer-to-peer from one person to the other. Then you make sure that buy is what you select. And there are several advertisers here that are willing to sell to you if you're buying. So select the limit and type in like the amount that you want to buy and click confirm. I selected 10K. And now select the method that you want to pay or buy this with. So I want to buy through bank transfer. Then click on confirm. It's important to make sure that the people or any of the persons you're buying from is online. This small dot beside the person's logo means the person is online, so just be aware. Then also see the amount each person is selling so that you buy from whom you can afford, and also observe the number of trades this person have done. The more the volume of trade the person has done, the more trustworthy the person is. Now select this filter too and make sure to turn on tradable ads only so that you buy from people that are eligible to trade here. And it's important to also select the time limit 15, 20, 30, 60 minutes so that you buy from somebody that is fast enough to send you this. Now, these are the people that are willing to sell based on this quantity or timing that you can afford. Right here in this page, you type in the amount, the exact amount that you will send for this USDT, because you want to first of all buy USDT now and make sure it's in fiat. So I'm typing in 15,000 here, any amount. And for buying or converting to Solana, you actually need higher amount, okay? Now, you go ahead and read the advertiser's condition. Drop proof of payment after payment, please. I am not paying third party, so make sure to use your real name, an account that has your real name to make this payment. Now you have seen the details, how much you will receive in dollar if you pay this amount in naira or in any of your currency, and then the person's condition, blah, 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 blah. Click on next. Now it's important you know the name of the bank and then copy the account number and then head over to your bank account and make the payment and get back here and click on paid. So you select I have transferred the above amount and click confirm. Right here in this page, you're now waiting for the person because you just told Bitget that you have paid, but this person has now released the funds. So since he said he would do it within 15 minutes, it's remaining 9 minutes plus right now. And instead of simply waiting, it's good to contact the person and say, I have paid, in case for any reason the person have not noticed. So this message icon above, you use it. So I'll just type release fund and send to this person. Let me see. So he said receipt, please. So I'll simply send the receipt to him. So he has sent the USDT equivalent of the money that he received. And this is it right here in Bitget Exchange. So the next thing you do is to transfer this USDT that you have received in Bitget Exchange. You received it in OTC, so you want to move it from OTC to spot account. If it is all of it you want to move, select the all of it, and then you go back. Now click on trade, and in the pair above, you want to make sure you select Sol USDT because you want to convert that USDT to Solana. So just click on this small triangle and type SOL for Solana. Then you select Sol USDT and click on make sure you are on buy. Then drag this icon of how many percent of the USDT you have you want to convert to Solana. Click confirm. So you have now converted that USDT to Solana. So the next thing you want to do is open to your Phantom wallet and click on receive. Then there are many tokens you can receive. Just copy your Solana wallet address. So as you copy your Solana wallet address, get back to Bitget Exchange and click on withdraw. Now select Solana and select on-chain withdrawal. Now long press where it's written wallet address and then paste the Solana wallet address you have copied, and then make sure the network is Solana. Then type the quantity of Solana that you want to withdraw. So you select the amount of Solana you want to withdraw and then click on confirm. Now you have option to input the code they sent to your email address and the code that is in your Google Authenticator app. So open the email you linked to Bitget Exchange and then open your Google Authenticator app and open the email that you linked to your Bitget Exchange, copy the code and place here, and then your withdrawal has been processed. Now it will take about 5 minutes or so to complete processing it. Yeah, so you head to the Phantom wallet and you can see your Solana is now deposited in your Phantom wallet. This is exactly how to receive Solana in your Phantom wallet. Ensure to smash the thumbs up and be back for more updates. Share this to help others that are struggling to deposit Solana in their Phantom wallet.